Hi guys, welcome back. I just got back from my local Shoppers. I'm in Canada right now. Shoppers is like a drugstore pharmacy here in Canada, and I was really excited because they are stocking the new Pixi Pretties collection, which includes my collaboration with them, which is this all over face palette and lip icing. So this video is all about my latest collaboration, which is with Pixi Beauty. I'm super pumped, and I think you guys are gonna love these products that I've been creating. It's really different to anything I've done before. So if you remember last year, Pixi did an awesome collaboration called Pixi Pretties, and they did it with Aspen Ovard, Mariam NYC, Duty Time, and Caroline Herons. So they created amazing products and I tried them out. I went to the launch party. I tried Miriam's contour palette, she's a good friend of mine, and Aspen Ovard as well. Her highlights and blushes that she released with Pixi became some of my favorites. So I was contacted sometime last year, I can't remember exactly when anymore, but it was a while ago, to possibly talk about a collaboration, and I jumped at the chance because I had been loving their products. Their powders I was especially impressed with. So I immediately was itching to talk about what kind of powder products I could create. I was thinking highlighters, but you know, I was really feeling like blushes were having a boom at the moment. But we ended up with an all over face palette and a really pretty lip gloss. It's called the Pixi and Chloe Morello Palette Cloette. Sorry, I said that weird. Palette Cloette. And we came up with that name because Pixi already have a range of palettes called Palette Glowette, and we thought that was a really cute play on words and names. This is the Romantic Radiance Palette Cloette. And inside, this is what it looks like when you buy it. I bought this one today. I bought it because I didn't have the packaging of this. I also bought Wiley's and Dulce Candy's kits as well, and they have also released really great products. So I bought theirs so I could try it before I will get a chance to get it at the launch. So this is what mine looks like. I was planning my wedding while I was designing this palette, and so it was really inspired by romance and that look of love that you have, that radiance that you get when you're in love and you're happy and it's coming from within. So that's why we've got all the blushes, the glow, and then some matte definers here. The blushes are a really nice satin finish. They're not super shimmery. They've got a beautiful glow to them, but they're very buildable. You can start light and get a very natural look with it. You guys know I love natural looks. And they go from like a powder to feeling like a cream on the skin. They're very the opposite of cakey. They're kind of extremely creamy and emollient. Then these 6 shades here, they're all intended to be highlighters, but they can also be used for eyeshadow or for layering over the blushes if you want more shimmer. These are mattes down here, and these can be eyeshadows. I contoured my nose with this color today, or you can use it to eyeline or do your eyebrows. It's really good for doing your eyebrows because you can customize the color. The whole palette, it also includes a very thin mirror. I was going to put a brush in there, but we decided against the brush. I felt the brush wasn't right for this kit, so I've got a mirror, and it's actually really perfect if you're doing your eyes or your lips. You can even see pretty decently your blush, so it's good for travel if you don't have anything else. That mirror is actually pretty handy. So all of the names were inspired by when I was planning my wedding. So here we have Promise, Bouquet, and Romance. And the highlighters, we have Veil, Fairy Tale, Lace, Honeymoon, Passion, and Swoon. And then here at the bottom with the mattes, this one is called Tux, Unity, and Knot. Like tie the knot. Get it? So this is the lip gloss we created. It's the Cake Lip Icing, and it's a really pretty 3-dimensional glitter lip gloss. It's really hydrating. It has marula oil and rosehip oil in it. It doesn't feel like sticky, or it doesn't even, it does feel like a gloss, but not in a sticky way. It feels more like a lip treatment, and it's really glossy and hydrating and really comfortable to wear. You can't feel the glitters in it at all. I don't know how they do that actually, because there's a lot of glitter in there, but you can't feel it. Magic. It's a really, really pretty lip, and I've been wearing it a lot. When you are under lights or natural light, it really catches the light and it looks really pretty and juicy. I feel like it looks rose gold in the packaging. The glitter is really intense in the packaging, but when it goes on your lips, it's more of a subtle glitter. It has really nice hydrating and smoothing properties. And the packaging is this really nice square plastic packaging. It's very luxe, and it makes it really easy to stay neat and tidy in your makeup organization. The Romantic Radiance palette is just $24. and you have so many different options in the palette. And the lip icing is $14. And these are all the stockists that you can get Pixi at. You're gonna see me using these products in my upcoming videos. I've already done some Instagram content with it, so check it out. Last but not least, Pixi are doing a really awesome contest for you guys. It's really easy to enter and you're gonna win a cool prize. So one winner and their guest will win a trip to LA, a makeover in the Pixi Pretties boutique, the full range of Pixi Pretties products, of course, including my palette, my lip icing, and Wiley and Dulce Candies products as well. And I'll get to meet you, and you also get professional photos taken. So all of that for you and a guest. That's pretty cool. So just enter using the form on the Pixi Beauty website, put in your email address and your Instagram handle, and then follow myself and Pixi on Instagram, and one of you guys will win. Well guys, I think that's everything. I had so much fun developing this product. It's the kind of thing that I'll use every day of my life, no matter where I am in the world. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Can't forget the lip gloss. And don't forget to tag me if you've posted anything using my product. Just use these hashtags and I'll go through and like my faves and even regram my faves. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to enter the contest and let me know what you think of the products. Okay, bye.